Pedestrian decks, balconies, and parking structures all need durable traffic coatings to handle wear, weather, and constant movement. These systems protect concrete and plywood surfaces, prevent water intrusion, and extend the life of the structure. Pecora-Deck coating systems do more than just protect the surface. They provide waterproofing, durability, and slip resistance for areas exposed to pedestrian or vehicular traffic. Choosing the right system depends on the specific project conditions, anticipated traffic exposure, and installation requirements. Pecora offers 3 polyurethane deck coating solutions: Pecora-Deck 800 series, Pecora-Deck HB1000, and Pecora-Deck HB1100-SA, all designed for long-term performance in demanding exterior and interior applications. Pecora-Deck 800 series is a one-part, multi-coat polyurethane deck coating system built for heavy-use pedestrian and vehicular applications. It's ideal for elevated decks, parking garages, plazas, and other surfaces where long-term waterproofing is needed to protect occupied space below. The system forms a flexible, crack-bridging membrane designed for demanding exterior performance. Pecora-Deck HB1000 is a fast-curing, high-build system designed for industrial settings. As a 2-component urethane traffic membrane, it performs exceptionally well on concrete, wood, or steel in both pedestrian and vehicular applications. It cures quickly, provides excellent abrasion and chemical resistance, and offers long-lasting industrial-grade durability. Pecora-Deck HB1100-SA is a single-coat waterproofing and traffic-bearing coating system with integral aggregate. It delivers waterproofing and abrasion-resistant performance in a single coat, offering a one-step solution for pedestrian and vehicular decks. UV-stable and rapid curing, it delivers a durable, slip-resistant finish with 0 VOC content, making it ideal for projects requiring a quick turnaround and long-term performance. So, what's the difference between these Pecora-Deck coating systems? Pecora-Deck 800 series is a one-part moisture cure, multi-coat system for flexible exterior waterproofing. Pecora-Deck HB1000 is a 2-component, high-build industrial membrane for abrasion, chemical, and impact resistance. Pecora-Deck HB1100-SA is a one-step rapid-curing, single-coat waterproofing system with integral aggregate. Choosing the right deck coating depends on your project needs. Whether you want a traditional multi-coat waterproofing system, a heavy-duty industrial membrane, or a fast one-step traffic coating, Pecora-Deck traffic coating systems offer users a variety of systems that fit their project needs. Waterproofing below, traffic durability above.